What's up mga ka-TV? Andito na naman po ang inyong lingkod, DebedRomanTV, na muli ay magbibigay sa inyo ng konting kaalaman tungkol po sa PLDT. So, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe ay please subscribe, mag-like, mag-comment at pakiclick na rin po yung notification bell. Okay? So, ang ating pong topic ngayon ay PLDT. NDD ang gusto mo? So, madali lang yan. So, ang karamihan ay may mga nagtatanong po sa akin, papaano daw po makakatawag yung kanilang landline sa mga cellphone o sa ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas? O paano po ba mag-register dyan sa NDD? Ano po ba yung NDD? So, sasagutin po natin ng isa-isa yan. Ang unang-una po, ang PLDT NDD ay ang National Direct Dialing. So, ibig sabihin, makakatawag ka ng cellphone, makakatawag ka sa ibang area ng Pilipinas gamit yung NDD. So, unang pong gagawin natin para po tayo ay magkaroon ng NDD ay magpaparegister po tayo, no? At hindi na po natin kailangang pumunta sa PLDT office. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, iwas COVID po tayo, stay home, stay safe. So, pwede naman po tayong magparehistro ng NDD through 171. So, pagka tatawag po tayo ng 171 ay ganito lang po ang ating gagawin. So, una po, dahil lang po natin yung 171.
Press 1 if you are an existing PLDT home customer. If you have recently applied for a PLDT service and would like to follow up on the status, please press 2. I will need your telephone number starting with the area code, or your 11-digit Altera or home Wi-Fi number. Please enter it after the tone.
Yan, antayin lang po
You have
natin.
entered 075600167 is correct. Press 1. If incorrect, press 2. We are validating your account. If you need help with our broadband service and would like to speak to our technical help desk, please press 1. For a copy of your billing statement, or if you have questions about your bill, please press 2. If you would like an upgrade or add-ons to your current services, please press 3. If you are interested to upgrade your plan and add other services to your current PLDT account, please press 1. If you are moving and need your PLDT service to be relocated, please press 2. For other questions and concerns, please press 3. Our business hours are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, from Monday to Sunday, including holidays. Thank you for calling PLDT. Goodbye.